I am now at that point in my woodworking journey where I attempt to use pocket holes. Watch me as I unbox this Kreg pocket hole jig and use it for the first time. Baruch Hashem, and welcome to a woodworker's journey. As a common theme on this channel, I bought this Kreg pocket hole jig box a long time ago, and now is the first time I am getting to use it. This is the Kreg pocket hole jig K4, and this is the Master System box, which comes with a number of attachments. While Kreg has come out with newer, more sleek versions of their pocket hole jigs, they do still sell this one. This is the portable base. This is the K4 pocket hole jig. This box comes with a number of pocket hole screws for you to use. This is the dust collection attachment. This is a piece from the material support stop. The drill bit is in the white pouch. There are two different lengths of 6-inch square drive bits that fit into the pocket hole screws. And there's also the depth stop. Here are the other pieces of the material support stop. And finally, the classic 3-inch face clamp. Here is everything you get in the Master System box. It's time to take this pocket hole jig out for a drive. I will be using this jig to attach two 3/4 pieces of plywood. Here I set the depth to 3/4. It's time to set the depth collar onto the drill bit. Unbeknownst to me, I am doing this incorrectly right now, so don't do it this way. I'll show how you do it correctly a little bit later. Time to make my very first pocket hole. This doesn't look like it does on all of those videos. There's no hole in the bottom and it doesn't look deep enough. I put a screw up against the pocket hole to check the depth and it doesn't look long enough. I've obviously done something wrong here. After consulting the owner's manual, I realized I set my depth stop incorrectly. I set the depth stop to the very tip of the drill bit. But if you'll notice in a pocket hole drill bit, there is a smaller shank in front of the larger, thicker shank. And the line needs to go to the edge of the thicker shank, not the thinner shank. Please comment below if you made this rookie mistake like I did. Time for my second attempt at making a pocket hole jig. Here, I discovered the pitfalls of not using Baltic birch plywood when I'm making my projects. I screwed the pocket hole screw right into a void. That allowed the sides to collapse and not properly drill a pocket hole. Okay, let's see if third time's the charm. Hooray! The third time was the charm. Now let's go ahead and drill out the rest of the pocket holes that I'm going to need for this project. Now it's time to screw the board with the pocket holes to the joining board. There you have it, two boards successfully joined together using pocket screws. Not too bad for my first try, if I do say so myself. We hope you enjoyed today's episode. Please tell your friends about us. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and like and comment on this video. A Woodworker's Journey is brought to you by the generous support of people like you. You can support this program by going to our Patreon page at www.patreon.com/AELLC to become a friend of the show. We could not do this without you. Thank you for your time, and I hope you found today's episode entertaining.